Hello guys, we will talk about SUMIF function in Excel. This is the most powerful function in Excel in which we can use multiple conditions to drive results. Moving on an example, we have hypothetical data of employees. We have multiple columns, names, department status, hiring date and salary. We want to see one employee's salary in the raw data with multiple conditions. Now I am choosing one employee of for example Muhammad Jafar. As you can see, here is the department status. I have copied his information and then pasted in G12. Then I have select the hiring date of his employee and pasted in the next available cell. So in the blank cell, to type formula, press is equal to SUMIF bracket start to select range, sum range, then column, comma, and select criteria range 1, comma, and then criteria range 2, comma, and then criteria range 3, comma, and then criteria range 4, comma, and then criteria range 5 bracket close, and then enter. Here is the result. Now I am looking at the actual value from raw data E13, the highlighted cell. Now I am highlight the result column as well, repeating the same step but another employee, as an example Muhammad Hassan Abdi from some other department. This information copy and paste. Being that time efficiency, simply drag the formula. Here you go. Oh. As we mentioned in the beginning, this is the one of the most significant formula in Excel. Take care, practice the formula. We'll meet in the next video with new functions. Bye bye.